Welcome back everyone, and we're going to be looking at EDC stuff today. That's everyday carry, and this is specifically for what I take for my camera in my camera bag, this one here. Now, EDC has become really popular over the last few years, but I think pretty much everyone in tech has always carried stuff around in one form or another, just with the fact that everything has got so compact in technology wise that makes it really easy to have little kits like this. So let's have a look at this kit, and I'm just going to weigh it first, he says. So this kit is 204 grams, so it's really light, and that's really key for me. So the reason this is my camera kit as opposed to anything else, it's only what I need in this camera bag. It's not all the stuff I would need for the office or the studio or the car or anything else. They're different ones, and I'll do some others onto those. This is specifically for me to take for my camera, and that's it. So what have we got with this? So I've gone for the VIPERADE little carry compact case, and the reason I did that is it matched the bag really well, and I'll do a review on this bag separate at some point. But this is just, it's quite neat, everything's handy. So if we start from the outside, there we've got a think tank whip. By the way, I'll put links to all of this stuff down below so that you can go and check it out for yourself. Think tank whips, I take these everywhere with me, to be fair. They're on all my kit and everything else. They're so useful. So I keep that on there because I never know when I need to do something. And we've got a KeyUnity Carabiner, which is quite nice, which also happens to have a bottle opener because you never know when you're going to need to open a bottle, sure. But that's nice, so that can hang that off my bag if I need to, if I'm out and about. And the reason I might want to do that is because on the outside I've got a really quick access pocket for a notebook. And this notebook is a Moleskine notebook, and it's black because I liked the black. It just didn't stand out. And what I would say is that with this notebook and this kit, write some contact numbers in here that you might need in an emergency if you've lost your phone, because I can't remember anyone's number whatsoever. So this might just save me. So it's worth remembering that. So in the outside pocket, we do have some little ribbed areas down here where we can put some stuff. I don't. I'm not interested in that. I've no need for it. Center pocket, we have a little torch, and this is the Aurora, what is it, A1, and it's USB-C charging into the side there, which is quite nice. You can just turn it on if you just want to quick light something up, and it's quite powerful into there. And if you press it twice, we're going to have it on, but we can also press it again to dim it down. So we've got different levels into there. Press and hold to turn off. There you go. And you might notice that on a lot of my stuff I have these little zip pulls. And I chose red because I like the accent red, which is nice. But it just makes it really easy to pull out of a pocket into there, into that. Next pocket along, we have this little tiny pen. And it's the OLIGHT, I think it is. O Mini 2. And the beauty of this pen, it's not just a pen. Apart from having a nice fidget little toy into that as well. So we've got the pen at the end there, which is great. But if we go the other way, out pops this spiky, and it's spiky little thing, and that's a graphite tip into there so I can write with a pencil. They give you a spare one of those in the pack as well, so it just unscrews off and screws back in. And that's really nice little touch, and it's just a compact little pen, and it's green. Goes with this really. And then in this end bit, I got the Victorinox, not sure which model it is, it'll be down the thing. But it's not the one with the knife. And I had that on purpose, so if I'm traveling around with this, I'm not going to get stopped and questioned. And if I go through airports, it's not going to bother me into that. So in this side, we've got a bottle opener again, little wire stripper, I think that is. And then we've got the posi into that there. And then the other side, we have little scissors. And I figured if I ever really need a knife, those scissors are going to double up, and I'm going to be able to use that if I need to. So that was my thinking from that point of view. Pair of tweezers, really nice and handy into there, and the other side's got the toothpick as well, which can be quite handy. So that's that, nice simple little carry. Now the other side of this, we have a zip pocket. This zip pocket has got a multitude of things in it. Let's get all these out into there. And I think that's it. Yes, it is. So I have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and it's a 240 watt, 40 gig, 8K data transfer, and it's really short. And it's basically an emergency thing for this if I need to charge it when I'm out and about. I can plug that in, find a charger, and I'm away, and that's it. Because you never know, I don't want to be stuck where I can't charge this if I'm really, really desperate. But yeah, that's what that's for. Just a little emergency thing in case needed. I have a business card into there as well, so that out and about people ask you, stop you, ask you questions and everything else, and that's that. So I stick a business card in, and then I've got this. It's a little SD card carry. And what I've got one SD card in it because I really don't need more. I could put more in, but I don't. So I've got one SD card into there. I've got a little mini SD card reader into that side. And I've got a spare mini SD card as well into there. So that's it quite soon. It's not fully stacked out, but it's enough to get me by if I need to. I have some lens wipes. I'd like to say it's for the camera, but really it's for my glasses when I'm out and about. I have the obligatory plasters because I always end up cutting myself somewhere and doing something, and I can stop myself bleeding and everything. And then some emergency cash just to get by if I need to. Yeah, I always advise carrying a little bit of cash. So that's everything that goes into that little kit that I take with me on street photography, out and about. Pretty much my personal day-to-day photography, everything goes into that, and it just comes with me. Swaps between bags, makes life so much easier. So that's my little street photography kit, my photography EDC. Interesting to know if you'd put anything else into this that I've missed, that I can't think what I need, but there's bound to be something. Admittedly, I did think about putting a little tool for doing the bottom in, because it doesn't really come on the Victorinox, but then I have that built into the bottom of the small rig adapter there anyway, which serves a purpose, and it's got the Allen key for tightening stuff up as well. It might be an idea to get a spare one of those and keep that in there. That's my only other thought onto that, but that's it. That's my emergency little kit, and yeah. Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments, would be great. Like and subscribe, really appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.